Okay, guys, today what we did for ELAR is we went over the agenda, which was this. We went over these Google Classroom settings on how to access the best features for Google Classroom. We also did a quick write. I wanted you to take the perspective of an animal that lives in your house. If you don't own an animal, then you just pretend as if you do, and then write about the things it does during the day, and also include what thoughts you would think that the animal has about you. We started working on the prediction sheet. This is not homework. In fact, right now I'm going to delete this prediction sheet as a class. We read up to paragraph 35 in Rikki Tikki Tavi. What I want you to do is today you need to make sure you turn in your Flipgrid. Your only homework is just to read for 30 minutes. So make sure that you are going over to your rubric here on your Flipgrid and answering all of these things on here to get the best grade, okay? All right, and the last thing, if you want to show mom and dad the video and get them to help you update your Google Classroom so that you're getting all the notifications, that sounds great. Um, Let me know if you guys need anything. You're just an email away. Have a fabulous weekend. Remember, don't forget to read. Bye.